Okay, today we're going to use our compounding continuously formula, which is A equals P times E to the RT. We're going to use this formula, but we're going to solve for the amount of time usually, and every once in a while for the rate. So it's going to tell me something like, I put $1,000 in a bank. I'm getting 2% interest compounded continuously. And I want to figure out how long it's going to take to get $2,000, let's say. So how long for 2,000? So this is going to be the final amount. This is going to be the starting amount. E is just E. The rate is 0.02, and the time I don't know. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 1,000. That cancels out, and I get 2 equals E to the 0.02t. So now I have to figure out how to get rid of an E. And the way that we do that is called the natural log. So the term is natural log. And log is short for logarithm. And logarithm, what that means is get the variable out of the exponent. That's not literally what it means, and we'll talk a little bit more about what it literally means, but that's what we use it for, to get the variable out of the exponent. So I have 2 equals E to the 0.02t. If I want to get this variable out of the exponent, what I'm going to do is on the calculator, you'll see a button. I have a different calculator, but it's on the other one as well that says LN. And LN stands for Logge Naturale. It's Latin. So I'm going to put Ln of 2 equals the Ln of E to the 0.02t. Now watch what happens when I put the Ln, or natural log, of E. I have to put E to the 1. It just tells me 1. So that means that it cancels it out. So this cancels out. So I put the natural log of 2. I'm going to round to 4 decimal places. 0.6931 equals 0.02 to the t. So now I'm going to divide by 0.02. And I'm going to just put on my calculator, divided by 0.02 equals 34.6574, approximately. So how long did it take me to double my money? Approximately 34 years. And these are measured in years unless it tells me otherwise. Sometimes the problem will say that it's measured in days or something like that. So I'm going to do another example. This eraser is really dirty. Okay, I have a credit card balance of $4,528. My credit limit on that card is $6,000. My credit card goes at a rate of 13.5%. How long is it going to take me to reach my limit if this is compounded continuously? So that's going to be my final amount. That's going to be my starting amount. Compounded continuously, so it's times E to the power of 0.135t. So first thing I'm going to do is divide by 4,528. $6,000 divided by 4,528. 1.3251. I rounded, so I'm going to put approximately E to the 0.135t. I'm going to do the natural log of both sides. So I'm going to put on my calculator the natural log of 1.1 blah blah blah. That cancels out. So I'm going to have 0.2815 is approximately 0.135 t. So I'm going to divide by 0.135, and it tells me 2.0850. And this is in years because it didn't tell me otherwise. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, what I want you to turn in, when you come into class, I want you to turn in these problems. There are 658,420 people in El Paso. Compounded continuously at 1.28%. How long will it take to reach 700,000 people? Oops. That's number one. And number two, how long to reach 1 million people? And I just want you to do those two problems and turn them in when you come in.